Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by becoming root so commands affect system logs. Use sudo I or prefix each command with sudo. Next, identify targets. List /var/log and check journal size with journoctal disk usage so you know what's consuming space. Backup critical logs before altering them. Copy files like /var/log/auth. Log to your home directory. Once done, you're ready to act on specific logs rather than guessing. This protects audit data and prevents accidental data loss. Now you perform the main clearing steps. For systemd journals, run journoctal vacuum size equals 100 m or vacuum time equals 2 weeks to remove older entries. This preserves recent logs while freeing space. For plain log files, use find /var/logname *. Log exec truncate s0 \, which empties files without removing nodes, avoiding service issues. Finally, force log rotation with logrotate f/ etc. /logrotate. Conf so rotated files compress or delete per policy. These steps keep services stable while reclaiming. Finish by restarting logging daemons so they recreate files correctly. Run systemtool restart rsyslog and systemtool restart systemd journaled as needed. Then verify success with do sh/var/log and journoctal disk usage to confirm space was freed. If sizes didn't change, check for open file descriptors using lsoff/var/log or ps-oxgrep rsyslog. Processes holding deleted files still consume space. Make sure permissions and sc/linux/AppArmor contexts allow truncation. Fix those and repeat the truncate or vacuum commands.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.